subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has silently launched its new affordable smartphone under Y series in India called Vivo Y15c. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y15c supports a 6.51-inch HD Plus Halo Full View display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, paired with 3GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of onboard storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Vivo Y15c features a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. And it runs on Android 12 out of the box with OneTouch OS dual screen on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with multi-turbo 3.0 feature for better performance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.96 by 75.2 by 8.28mm and it weighs around 179 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y15c has been priced in India at 14,490 Indian rupees. And it is now available for purchase in the country in Mystic Blue and Wave Green color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y15c smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.